This is Britt with Blackrock Underground. Today's date is May 2nd. We are located at pipe burst number 6. This is the clean out here at the start of the line, and we're going to scope this lateral. This is going to end at manhole number 13. We're right behind unit E7. Okay, so here we are at the bottom of the cleanout. We're going to push out, try to get to manhole number 13. Got some paper here. I'm just gonna keep pushing. You can just push it down the line. Then we'll get a better picture on the way back. I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, so we've added some water to this line. We're going to keep pushing out here. And here we are at the end of our cable. So I'm going to pause the video here. We're going to go locate this, and we're probably going to have to jump to a service to continue the rest of this video. Okay, so we're located at unit C8. I'm going to have to pull back, and we're going to probably jump to unit E8 or E9 to scope the remaining portion of the line. So here we're just going to start pulling the camera back. We've turned the water off. And I'll try to identify the services as we're pulling back through this lateral. Looks like we have a service right here. I believe this would be 9. Looks like we have a service right here. I believe this would be E8. Looks like there's possibly 2 services here, one on the left and one on the right. This could be E10, the one on kind of the top right. Here we are back in the PVC. Looks like we have a service right here. I believe this would be E6. And here we are coming up. Clean up. So I'm going to pause the video here. We're going to jump over to probably E8 or E9 and scope the remaining portion of this line. I'll pause the video here. Okay, so here we are at a clean out. I believe this is unit E9. We're going to access this to finish the lateral from pipe 6, trying to get to manhole number 13. Looks like it just keeps wanting to send me up the line. I'm going to pause here. Okay, so we've moved from the clean out that is located right there over to this one to see if we can get into the lateral here. Oh. Still looks like we're going backwards the line. We're still going backwards. Still going backwards. I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, so here we are. This is unit C8. The last two services I tried going through to scope the remaining portion of the lateral kept sending me upstream, so I've jumped here to C8. This is where from the clean out on the lateral we weren't able to scope due to our cable length, and so here we are at the lateral. So I'm going to so this one here, it's sending us upstream also. So you can see things are flowing by us the wrong way. Again, it's sending us up the wrong way. So I'm going to pull back here. And pause the video here. Okay, so we've moved to manhole number 13. We're going to scope up the line to get the remaining portion. So here we are in the lateral. Again, this is pushing upstream. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna go locate this. Okay, so I've located this. I'm probably about 10 feet short of where we left off. Clean out. Okay, so at this point we've scoped the other portion of this from the clean out at the other end of this lateral. So here the 2 points have met. We'll just begin to pull the camera backwards and try to identify some surfaces. So here we see a service. Here's the next service. And here we are in the manhole. Now we are coming up the pipe that I put down the manhole. Kind of as a reference point, manhole number 13. So at this point, this concludes pipe burst number 6. this will end the video.